Hey guys, welcome back to this back that I'm back. Uh well, hope you're doing alright. I have this 2012 Chevy, as you can see. Let me turn the key on. So you see the graphics. Where was I? Oh yeah. 2012 Chevy Sonic LT. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change, and if I find a way of how to do the oil life reset, I'll do it after the oil change. Alright, so stay tuned. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Destroy the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this vehicle, if it's reliable, if you like it, if it sucks. Put it in the comment box for me. Alright, shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the support, thank you for the love, thank you for the help. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's get it. Oil change 2012 Chevy Sonic LT. Yeah. Now you come down here. This is how you open the hood. You seeing this baby out here. That's a latch right there. The kickstand right there. You're gonna pick it up right here. Ecotech. It's gonna take engine oil cap. Gonna take 530. It's up to you if you want to put synthetic or regular oil. It takes the oil Freon R1348 .500 kilograms. 2012 1.8 liter. Alright, gas. Alright, muffler, spare tire, tank, resonator. You can say cat, resonator, whatever. Flex, and here it is, the oil drain plug. So it's tied to a 14 Newton. And the oil filter is up there though, right here. Okay, so we're gonna do that from the top. We're gonna drain the oil now. What is this, like 11, 12? I'll tell you in a second. So yeah, I was right. 10 millimeter. Okay, 10 millimeter socket. Watch out with this baby. Ooh. Once you drain most of it, put it back. Put the oil drain plug back. Alright. Do it by hand. You're the one that messed up the thread. Now do it with the ratchet and the socket, 10 millimeter. Alright. Tight it, snug it. Bring the car down. That's the oil filter right here. Probably it's at 27. Yeah, it's at 24 though. Okay. Use it with the ratchet. Once you break loose, do it by hand. Don't forget to change the oil ring. This is the new guy. Okay. Just so you know. And it comes to the oil ring. Alright, put the new filter back, the new oil ring, lube it with some oil, put it back. Alright, tied it with a 24 socket and the ratchet, and then we proceed to pour the oil. Okay, so I'll pour 4 quarts regular oil, 5W30. Let me show you this guy before I put it in. Okay, it's supposed to be right here, right? There you go. 4 quarts, 5W30. Put the engine oil cap back. And that's pretty much it. Let's see if we can reset the oil life in this one. Alright guys, I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change in this 2012 Chevy Sonic LT. Alright, thank you for watching, by the way. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for the help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the destroy, bang the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think. Let me know any experience, any idea, any knowledge. Kick it in, put it in the comment box. Now let's do the oil life reset. Oil life reset. Alright, so what we're gonna do is, let me switch it up a little bit. Okay, it's shut down now. Turn it to the on position. You're gonna see all that, and you're gonna play with this guy right here and this button right here. Okay, so just press it. You see that 58% oil reset. Press this button, press it and hold it. There you go, let it go, and that's it. This is how you reset the oil life in this 2012 Chevy Sonic LT. Alright, thank you for watching, I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Holla at your boy. Astuo, Burung, Amaudi. Meow.